education, intonation, pronunciation, speak right to the nation. You want to know how? Please ask me now. Diction oracle is here. From A to Z, speak beautifully. Diction oracle is here. Stress button and stress times rhythm. Diction oracle is here. Proper pronunciation, beautiful intonation. Diction oracle is here. Diction oracle is right here. Diction oracle. Diction oracle. Diction oracle.
I'm only 8 years old and feeling kinda blue. I wonder if there's anything I can do. My friends pronounce words wrongly over sound, and when I hear them, those just really make me frown. Lots of sound that I can do, but the dictionary is here to put you through all the sounds from A to Z, intonation, pronunciation, and stress time rhythm, all made easy. All made easy.
Diction oracle is here. Diction oracle is right here. Diction oracle. Diction oracle.
Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to welcome you to this week's edition of Speak in the Right Diction. Of course, for this week, we have 10 words often mispronounced. First, let me welcome you to third term. It promises to be very interesting with regards to diction and all we have prepared for you this term. Now, let's enjoy the 10 words often mispronounced for this week. Now, my very first word is pronounced mother, mother, mother. You will notice that when I pronounce that, the second syllable, I actually put my tongue in between my upper and lower teeth this way. The mother, mother, mother. Now repeat after me. Mother, my mother, and not mother. Now you can see my teeth. You can see my teeth, but you can see my tongue. You pronounce the word mother. Your tongue should hang in between your upper and lower teeth. Now let's go over it again. Mother. My mother is the best woman in the world. Repeat after me. My mother is the best woman in the world. My mother is the best woman in the world. Mother, mother, mother. Okay, you did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Now, our second word for today is also often mispronounced. You hear friends pronounce it as mustache, but it's wrong. It's actually mustache. 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 You'll notice that the CH is saying shh. Mustache. Okay. The Diction Oracle has a small mustache. Do I have mustache at all? I'm growing up. Now let's say it together. The Diction Oracle has a little mustache. Mustache. Repeat after me. Mustache. Okay, you did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Well done. Now, let's get to our very next word for today. And it's also often mispronounced. I hear friends pronounce it as meme. Some say mimi. But it's actually pronounced meme. Meme. Repeat after me. Meme. Meme. Now, what's a meme? Well, a meme is a video or picture that's very funny. It's meant to make you laugh, or it's humorous. Okay, now let's look at this word in a sentence. Yesterday, I saw the meme of the best comedian in the world, AY. Yesterday, I saw the meme of the best comedian in the world, AY. Okay, let's say meme. Okay. Our very next word is pronounced Michel and not Michel. The CH is saying shh. Michel. Michel. I saw Michel at the party. Repeat after me. I saw Michel at the party. Repeat after me. I saw Michel at the party. I saw Michel at the party. Repeat after me. I saw Michel at the party. Our next word is pronounced mayonnaise. 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 And not mayonnaise or bama. So it's pronounced mayonnaise. Repeat after me. Mayonnaise. Now let's have a sentence. Listen and repeat after me. I enjoy my salad with mayonnaise. Listen again and repeat after me. I enjoy my salad with mayonnaise. Okay, you did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Now let's look at the next word. Our very next word is also often mispronounced. But for this word, there can be two pronunciations. It can be niche or niche. So we're going to go with niche. Repeat after me. Niche. Niche. A comfortable position. Well, I think the man has carved a niche for himself. Well, I think the man has carved a niche for himself in my house. I think the man has carved a niche for himself in my house. Niche. Listen again and repeat after me. I think the man has carved a niche for himself in my house. Okay. Listen again and repeat after me. Niche. You did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Good. Let's take the next word. It's not O. It's actually an inverted V, which is pronounced oven. 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 I bake my bread in the oven. I bake my cake in the oven. Listen again and repeat after me. I bake my cake in the oven. Okay, you did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Oven. It's pronounced monarch. Monarch. And not monarch. Listen again. Monarch. Monarch. A monarch is a king or queen ruling a particular place. Monarch. Okay. Monarchs rule UK. Monarchs rule UK. Okay. Now let's take our very next word. It's pronounced nonchalant. The CH is giving us shh. Repeat after me. Nonchalant. Nonchalant. Okay. It's not good for a student to be nonchalant. It's not good for a student to be nonchalant. Okay, you did very well. Give yourself a super clap. Let's look at the next word. Nestle. 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 To rest in a comfortable position. I nestled myself in the house during the holiday. I nestled myself in the house during the holiday. Nestled. Nestle. Nestle. Okay. And that's it for today on our words often mispronounced for this week. Next week, of course, look out for the words often mispronounced that will come up. Of course, the link will be sent to you, or you can just come to this platform and you will see the second week words often mispronounced, or the words often mispronounced for the second week. But before I go, I would like you to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to also send the link to a friend, and don't forget the words that can have alternative pronunciation, so that you don't go and tell someone, no, it's not niche, it's niche. The two pronunciations are correct. So don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. However, before then, I think it would be good we go over the words again. Mother. 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 Mustache. Meme. Michelle. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Oven. 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 Niche. Niche. and some pronounce the same word as niche or niche. Monarch, monarch. Nonchalant, nonchalant. Nestle, nestle. And that's it on words often mispronounced for this week. Till I see you next time, don't forget to speak in the right diction. Bye bye.